here's the problem. The teeth wore out on this $450 flywheel. This is the fourth time. There's no teeth left. The car just spun. I had to get towed back. You got to completely disassemble the car. Battery box, air box, CV joint, starter, flywheel, subframe, A-frames, support the transmission, support the motor. Take the struts off, take the sway bar off. I've got jack stands. And here it is, it goes up in there. The teeth look good on the input shaft. So once again, it's the actual inside teeth on the flywheel. But the sway bar, the subframe, had to take all that off. There's a support for the CV axle on the passenger side because it's longer. I'm just letting you know, those teeth look pretty good. This will be the fourth flywheel on my 2005 Honda Civic Hybrid. You can see this. This is where the flywheel rusted, the teeth rusted, made a fine rust dust. That's what that is, but there's no teeth left inside. The flashlight doesn't work very good. I'll keep you posted when I get it running. There is no teeth left on the flywheel. You can see where they're supposed to be, but they're completely gone.